Alright guys, we're going to try to take the bucket bike for January 28th on a warm day. It's like 40 degrees. And we're going to, I don't have the key for the battery, so we are just going to do an old-fashioned pedal. And that cardboard box in there is a front rack the company sent me. They saw my videos, so I'll put that on when it's warmer. And they sent me a screw for the fender because we lost it. Okay, I'll put your helmet on. And Shaw, let's get your bike out. Oh, I did find the key. It's where it should be, right there. Which is nice. Otherwise, it stays in the front here on this European type lock that goes through the spokes.
When is it gonna be?
Thanks for the song, Ivy. Thanks, Ivy.
Today I went forward and back.
Ready to get in, Ivy?
Yeah!
Push. Oh, ready? One more time. Ugh. It's about 40 degrees. The ice is still in the driveway, but the roads are looking good. We're just going for a ride around the neighborhood, right? Brake test. That could use a little more brake test. We're going to tighten these up before we go on any big rides, but for now they'll be good because it's a flat neighborhood. All right, painted face man. All right, it's running pretty good. We're just on pedal assist 1. I wouldn't need any pedal assist in the neighborhood, but I'm very lazy. It was a great adventure, Shaw. You did great. Your seat was too low even, and you made it all the way around and then through the icy woods on foot. No? Too much? We're gonna raise your seat up. Okay? You need some hot cocoa? Do you need an infusion of Gatorade?
I do, for real.
Yeah, we all do, maybe. How about a little water and water? We put the this seat back here so Abby could sit in the back. We didn't do that at first because keeping the weight towards Laura was really important with 2 kids, but she's getting good enough on the bike. I think we'll put the other bench back and keep the heavy kid up there and the lighter kid back here. Because your guys are probably getting too tight to sit together, right?
Well, I will sit here and I'll sit there.
Well, we don't want all the weight in the back. That makes the bike, it's fine, but to be more stable, the weight needs to be near the seat. But I think my mama might be good enough now. All right.
Need a fusion of Gatorade, please.